Hey everybody, I hope you're doing well. Today I am going to paint a colorful peacock on this gorgeous Dutch pour. I've sanded it because it had varnish on it. This was done by Valerie Flagg with 2 G's, F-L-A-G-G. She is in Facebook all over the place in the acrylic pouring groups. And she did this gorgeous, colorful Dutch pour. This is a 16 by 20 gallery wrapped canvas, and she sent it to me, and I'm going to embellish it with a peacock. I just thought it was so gorgeous. The plumage, it just looks like a beautiful exotic bird in the making. So we are collaborating together, and I want to make sure you check her out all over Facebook. She doesn't have a YouTube channel, I don't believe. She does have an Etsy shop. And yeah, isn't it gorgeous? Again, I had to sand it down because it had a beautiful glossy, shiny varnish, and so it's been sanded. So it's a little dull, but that's just so that my paint will stick, and then I'll revarnish it. And I know with the lights in the studio there's always reflections, and unfortunately I can't help that, but I'm going to kind of draw out the shape, paint it in white. I always paint anything on top of colors white so that whatever I paint the object or subject to be, it'll be true colors on top of the color in the background. That way the color doesn't, come through your color you're already painting. And typically I always use Deco Art, but I've kind of started here in the last few paintings working more with Golden and Liquitex products, just because they're a little bit more vibrant. They're not necessarily thicker if you use the fluid acrylics, but the vibrancy is so strong and beautiful. And I've been inspired by another artist who uses those products all the time. So I'll be mixing some colors in this palette that's got dried paint in it. It's all dried. And then I might mix some on foam plates just to be able to move it back and forth. So anyway, I hope you enjoy watching and watch the transformation. And this is not going to be a realistic peacock as far as colors and so forth. I want this to be a little bit unusual and a little bit more playful and fun. Also, I just printed some inspiration photos. This is some Modi's artwork that I love, the rainbow effect, which reminds me of this. And then I do like to refer very carefully to the real face, just because I think the face can sometimes make or break a whole animal for some reason. So I like to get the face fairly accurate. And then this is a beautiful peacock that is kind of a magenta colored, and it's got purple and magenta and green feathers, which is so gorgeous, which would work really well with this piece. So I'm not sure what all I'm going to do. I'm going to play it by ear, but just have fun watching. Okay, so I never really know what I'm gonna do until it's done. And then I know. I knew I wanted to be a rainbow colored peacock, and I wanted to not cover up the important part of her Dutch pour, to still show through, and I always love metallic gold. So here is, I have the shakiest hand in the east, not in the west, but the east. And there's all the rainbow colors in the body. So I kind of stuck with the traditional face and the bluish green tones, but then I just created it from that point to where I loved the colors. So I will let this dry really, really well and put a varnish coat, a gloss varnish, and then that will pop everything back out again, because right now it's semi satiny kind of right now. The gloss will really just make it pop, and then we will have it for sale, and it will be posted probably through Facebook to sell it. It might go in my Etsy shop, I'm not sure. She has an Etsy shop too, so we'll make sure that it's available. We would love for this bold, colorful peacock to go somewhere, to a beautiful home. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and enjoyed the process. Like I said, I always just kind of start with a vision, and then I take it from there and go with it. So again, there it is. I love it. I love anything peacock. So see you on the next one. Love you all. Take care. Look for Valerie Flagg, Sandra Lett. It'll most likely be for sale on Facebook, where you can message, or you can always email me, Sandra@sandralett.com, if you're interested in any piece of mine on YouTube. Thanks again. See you next time. Bye-bye.